Welcome back. Today we're unlocking the secrets to the perfect classic red lip. No more intimidation, just confidence. If you've struggled with smudging, fading, or getting that crisp line, you're in the right place. Grab your favorite red lipstick and let's dive into the must-know hacks for a flawless movie star red lip. First step, exfoliation. It's the secret weapon for achieving a perfect pout. Think of it as prepping a canvas before painting a masterpiece. Dry, flaky lips ruin even the best lipstick. No matter how high-end or richly pigmented your lipstick is, those pesky flakes will sabotage your look. They create an uneven surface, causing the color to cling to some areas and skip others. Use a gentle lip scrub. Opt for one specifically designed for lips, as these are formulated with finer granules and moisturizing ingredients to avoid irritation. Or for a quick and easy solution, a DIY mix of sugar and honey works wonders. The sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, gently buffing away dead skin cells, while the honey provides hydration and soothes the lips. Gently massage the scrub in small circular motions for about a minute. This helps to loosen and lift away the dry skin without being too abrasive. Remember, the skin on your lips is delicate, so a light touch is key. Once you've exfoliated, wipe away the scrub with a soft, damp cloth. Be thorough to remove all traces of the scrub. This simple step reveals instantly smoother lips. You'll immediately notice a difference in the texture and appearance of your lips. This creates the perfect smooth base, allowing lipstick to glide on evenly and effortlessly. Say goodbye to tugging, skipping, and uneven color distribution. Never skip this crucial step if you want a truly flawless lipstick finish that lasts. Exfoliation is the foundation for a perfect pout. Next, lip primer. It smooths lines, grips color, and prevents feathering. Apply a thin layer and let it set. Your red lip will last through coffee, lunch, and more. This invisible barrier keeps your lipstick exactly where you want it. Trust me, this quick step makes all the difference. Here's a pro trick that makeup artists swear by for achieving a flawless lip look. It's a simple step, but it makes a world of difference in defining your lips and preventing those dreaded lipstick bleeds. Before you even think about reaching for your favorite lip color, outline your lips with concealer. This creates a clean canvas and a defined border for your lipstick. For this technique, precision is key. Use a small, flat brush and your skin tone concealer. The goal is to subtly enhance your natural lip shape, not to drastically alter it. Carefully trace just outside your natural lip line. Think of it as creating a very subtle, almost imperceptible border. This will act as a guide for your lip liner and lipstick, ensuring a crisp, clean edge. Once you've traced the outline, blend the concealer outward. This is crucial for avoiding harsh lines and creating a seamless transition between your skin and your lips. This blending technique creates a subtle, bright frame that makes your lips pop and appear fuller. It's like adding a soft spotlight to your pout, drawing attention to your lips in the most flattering way. The concealer also acts as a barrier, preventing your lipstick from feathering or bleeding into the fine lines around your mouth. This is especially important for those with mature skin, or those who love bold, vibrant lip colors. With your concealer base in place, you now have a perfect guide for your lip liner and lipstick application. The concealer provides a clean, even surface, allowing the colors to adhere better and last longer. This simple concealer trick is the secret weapon for achieving that sharp, clean, professional lip look you see on celebrities and in magazines. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to elevate their lip game and achieve a truly polished finish. Don't just outline, fill in your entire lip with liner. Choose a shade close to your lipstick, outline carefully, then color in. This acts as a base, boosts longevity, and keeps color even as lipstick wears. No more faded centers or patchy lips. Your red stays bold and beautiful all day. For a flawless finish, use a lip brush instead of applying straight from the tube. A brush gives you control for perfect edges and even coverage, especially at the Cupid's bow. Build color in thin layers for a smooth, saturated look. This is the difference between a good red lip and a great one. Want your red lip to last all day and night through meals and meetings? Then master the blot and layer technique. It's a simple yet effective method used by makeup artists to create a long-lasting, transfer-resistant lip color. This technique ensures that your lipstick stays put, preventing those dreaded lipstick stains on your coffee cup or your loved one's cheek. After your first layer, which should be applied evenly and precisely, gently blot with a thin tissue. This is a crucial step. The blotting action helps to remove excess oils from the lipstick, which are often the culprit behind color transfer and fading. Now apply a second thin layer with your brush. Using a brush allows for more precise application and helps to build the color intensity. And then, blot again. This double blotting action ensures maximum color adherence. For extra staying power, especially if you're going to be eating or drinking, lightly dust translucent powder over a tissue placed on your lips. This sets the lipstick and minimizes transfer. This locks in color for a truly vibrant, matte, and sophisticated look. The result? A completely transfer-proof finish that will last for hours. It's an old Hollywood trick, used by starlets to maintain their glamorous look on screen, but with modern results that are perfect for today's busy woman. Final polish. Clean up edges with a pointed Q-tip dipped in micellar water. Gently trace around your lips to erase mistakes and sharpen lines. Touch up with concealer if needed for a flawless finish. This step takes your red lip from great to red carpet ready. Perfection is in the details. And that's it. 7 essential hacks for the perfect, long-lasting red lip. With these steps, you'll rock a bold red lip with total confidence any day. Try them out and let me know your favorite hack in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.